Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Fiat 500 Sport. This two-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Fiat has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 31 miles per gallon in the city, and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.